All right, guys, so today I'm going to be making a quick video about how to add an item to Google Sheets, a row in Google Sheets using packages, okay? So the first thing you're going to want to do is create input. So I've already done it. You go to right click and then you go to input and it'll add these inputs. You'll give them names and you'll have the input. So for this spreadsheet, I've got paid to, description, and cost, okay? So to get this to Pabbly Connect, which is, they're going to be the ones that are going to be handling the Google, adding to Google spreadsheet, okay? I actually don't want to handle natively these functions like go to Google, go to whatever, because those kinds of companies like the Zapiers and the Pabblys of the world, like I would argue that a lot of their development time is spent like fixing issues, integration issues, right? Like that's probably their number one engineering, I guess, thing. So anyways, you need Pabbly Connect, you need Zapier, you need one of those. So anyways, I'm going to go to package now, right? I'm going to go to package and I'm going to go to, for the sake of this video, to make it easier, if you're on Pabbly Connect, go to Pabbly, okay? Pabbly Connect, okay? Now, I've got my Pabbly Connect thing. I'm going to go ahead and add a finish node, okay? So what a finish node is it basically is a node that runs once everything is done being set up, okay? So this will run as the last step in your package run, okay? So let's just call this final step. Let's just call this send to Pabbly, okay? Now, we're almost done, okay? The last step that we actually have to do is we have to prepare the data for Pabbly to process. So what we're going to do is we're going to add more. We're going to add the JSON builder, okay? And we're going to connect these two. And I'm going to call this fields. Let's see, fields. Cool. You can name it anything. That's why I often struggle to name the package, but it can be whatever you want it to be. Now we're just going to add some keys and values, okay? So the first key that I'm going to add is paid to, okay? And the value is actually going to be, we have to at paid to, okay? Just to link it to that field, okay? Then we're going to add description. So description is just, an input. Description. Okay, oops, sorry. Description. All right, and then the last one we're going to add is cost, okay? Cost. All right, so now, if we do this, if we run all this stuff, if we look in Google Sheets, it should add a new row, okay? If it doesn't, that's fine. In some of my examples, you'll see that it won't add it, because I missed a step somewhere. But now looking now, I forgot to add the webhook URL for Pabbly. So here's a workflow that's gonna do the Google Sheet stuff for us in Pabbly, okay? All we need to do is capture this webhook URL, okay? So I'm gonna copy that and I'm gonna paste it to the Pabbly package, okay? Put it right there. And then the request body is just gonna be fields, so at fields, okay? Cool, so this package is done. This package will add an item to a Google Sheet via Pabbly. Let's run the package to see if it actually works, okay? So I'm going to pay to, let's just leave all these dummy fields and see if they make it over. So we're going to run the package and it's done, and let's go here. Cool, it made it, okay? So let's do that again. Let's add new values. So let's go to pay to Acme Corp, description, invoice for materials, and the cost is $33. All right, so I'm going to run that, and then now we go to our sheets, and it's actually there. That was fast, huh? Now, this sheets thing works. You really like this package, like it's cool, it works. Let's go ahead and, it's saved already, so it's already saved. I'm going to take this package, all these squares, and I'm going to make a new simpler package that basically will execute this without thinking about building JSON or HTTP requests or anything. So I'm going to go to packages, Actually, I should rename this. So I'm going to rename this to push. Let me see. Push to packages test. All right. Yeah. All right. Who knows what we'll call this? All right. So now we've got our sheets package. Okay. Cool. Now we're gonna have a new package that does something else. Okay. New package. This we'll call the Excel package. Excel, not Excel. The sheets package from another package. Okay. All right, so we're in this new package, and I want to reference the package I just made. I actually need to remember what it's called. So it's called push to packages test helper. Okay. So if I go here and I add a new package, let's see here. All right, so now this box has become a representation of the package that we made before. Okay, so basically we can say push to Google Sheets. Okay, so all this package is going to do is it's going to push to Google Sheets, but it's going to be intelligent enough to know that I need it to go to this particular Pabbly webhook, and yeah, so I'm going to add the 3 inputs again, and I'm going to add a finished node. Okay, this right here will just be this. Okay, so let's go to paid to. So we'll name these paid to. We'll name this one description, and then we'll name this one cost. Okay, so let me see here. Finish. If we say, yeah, so this represents that package we just made. Okay, this is like a condensed version of that. It's like a compressed version of that package. It will do the same thing, but we're just not worrying about all the steps in between because we saved it. Okay, so go to paid to. Yeah, so let's copy all the fields. Paid to, description, cost. Okay, and now let's run this package. Paid to outcome, description, what am I gonna toy car. Okay, and then it's gonna be $55. All right, if we run this package, it should appear in the sheet still, and it does. Okay, so if that was confusing to you, if that's weird, let me know. But like, that is how you create a sheet. How you do stuff with Google Sheets in packages. Okay. I hope that helps. I hope you're not confused, but yeah, let me know. We'll work through the confusion. Okay. So, yeah, you can push to Google Sheets, but you have to use a webhook, and it can be from Zapier, it could be from Pabbly, it could be from all these other providers, but that's how you add a Google Sheet in packages. I hope that helps. All right.